In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offboard Google Workspace users 5 minutes. Offboarding a user in Google Workspace is quick, but it's important to do it carefully so you protect company data and keep work moving smoothly. You'll need admin access for this process. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, what each option means, and a few tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the main navigation and open directory. This is where all your organizational contacts and accounts live. From there, choose users. You'll see a list of all accounts in your domain, along with their status. Use the search bar if needed, and make sure you've selected the correct account before proceeding. Click into the user you want to offboard to open their profile. Here, you can view account details and access actions related to security, licenses, and data. At this point, you'll decide whether to suspend the account or delete it. Suspend is best when you want to immediately block sign-ins and access while keeping the data intact. It's useful during transitions or when you're not yet ready to hand off everything. Delete permanently removes the account and frees up the license, so use it only after you've preserved or transferred what you need. Before you offboard, transfer the user's files. This is crucial. Google provides a built-in option to reassign ownership of Drive content from the departing user to another account, typically a manager or team inbox. Choose a recipient who will own the files going forward and verify they have enough storage and the right permissions. Remember, transferring ownership ensures docs, sheets, and other Drive files remain accessible to the business and don't get locked when the original account is removed. It's a good practice to communicate with the recipient so they know to expect the files and can organize them quickly. Once files are transferred, return to the user profile and take the appropriate action. If you're not fully ready to remove the account, suspend it first. This keeps everything in place and can be reversed later. When you're confident the transition is complete, choose Delete User and confirm. Deletion cannot be undone, so double check you've handled all necessary data before confirming. That's it. You've navigated to the admin console, opened directory and users, selected the account, decided on suspend or delete, and ensured files were transferred beforehand. Follow this flow and you'll offboard users safely and efficiently.